welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Goa has seen numerous Indian tourists visiting the state, especially over the weekends. Most of the beaches are crowded with visitors. Today in the story, we will show you the side of Paka Beach, wherein the lifeguards are finding it difficult to control the tourists at the beach. They warned the tourists not to venture into the sea, but they simply refused.
ध्यान रखिए, पानी में नहाना सुरक्षित नहीं है। ध्यान रखिए आप लोग। रेनी सीजन इस टाइम में किसी को भी अलाउ नहीं कर रहे। सभी बाल से ऊपर और किनारे पे रुको आके। पानी में कोई भी चाहिए। हेलो भाई साहब, मैडम जी सुनाई दे रहा है? बच्चों को लेके ऊपर ही वहां से ऊपर आके रुकिए। सभी ऊपर ही बाल से और साइड में रुकिए ऊपर। अलाउ नहीं किसी को भी अंदर। सभी ऊपर ही वहां से और मास्क नहीं है, मास्क कंपल्सरी है।
जे लोक येता पळय ते सांगलेले कशेंच आमचे आयकना, उदकान वचो नाका, सी रफ आहा, कोण अशेंच येता की मास्क ना घालच्या शिवाय वयल्यान उदकाच्यान भायर काडले जाल्यार आमकां वयल्यान शाणपणां सांगता ते आनी हे ड्रिंक घेवन येतात बिचार, आयकना मागीर पुलीस तांकां धांवतात.
तुमची एडवायस कितें आसा?
आमचे एक म्हटल्यार लोकांनी उदकान भितर वयपाचें ना. उदकान गेलो जाल्यार आतां सी काय रफ आहा न्हू, रेस्क्यू जातलोच जातलो. ते लोकांक सांगूंक सोदता की उदकान वयपाचें ना.
And now there's a twist to the Russian death case. The Chennai police is all set to assist Kalangut police into the death of a Russian Alexandra. She was a model and worked in a few South Indian movies. And she had earlier complained of sexual harassment 2 years back. A 24-year-old Russian woman, that is Alexandra Dajvi, who accordingly to the local police hung herself from the ceiling fan in a rented home in North Goa village on 19th August and had previously harassed in Chennai in 2019 by a photographer for sexual favors. A lawyer from the Russian consulate in Mumbai said that the Goa-based lawyer Vikram Verma also said that the post-mortem of the remains of Dajvi, as well as the 34-year-old actor Ekaterina Titova, who was also found dead in her apartment in a separate incident, which could conduct a presence of Russian consular officials soon. Now, the Goa police has, however, not mentioned the Chennai angle and whether they would question the photographer in Chennai particular.
About these two deaths. One is a 24-year-old and one is a 34-year-old Russian national. Now, we are waiting for further information on them. Regarding the 24-year-old Alexandra, we have received information that she had been blackmailed in 2019 for sexual favors. And after a preliminary inquiry, the Chennai police had registered an FIR. But this is preliminary information, and we hope that the Goa police can investigate the matter thoroughly and rule out any possible suspicion in her death.
So these days?
Now we are expecting officers, diplomats from the consulate to be visiting Goa in September. So they will look into the matter.
Any post-mortem going now?
No, I believe the clearances and all have to be taken. The family has to be informed. So after taking clearances, the NOC will be provided for the post-mortem. Until then, I am informed that the bodies have been safely put in the GMC.
But how are you seriously seen on these two incidents?
Matter of death, and especially where the death involves a young person, the levels of suspicion have to be very high. And we should rule out any possibility of homicide, because people who do murder, sometimes they disguise their act in such a clever manner that it appears like a suicide or an accident.
On 19 August 2021, we had received information regarding the death of two ladies of Russian nationality in the area of Shivolim of PS Anjuna. Upon receiving that information, the staff of PS Anjuna had visited the spots, while one of the females, who was 24-year-old holding a Russian passport, was found to have died. Prima facie cause of death was ascertained as hanging, and in the other case, a 34-year-old Russian passport holder lady was found dead in her bedroom. In both cases, we are following the legal procedure, which is we have informed the embassy to appoint a representative. An inquest proceeding in the meantime is ongoing. Once the representative is assigned, further medico-legal formalities such as the post-mortem examination will be conducted. In the meantime, we are not suspecting any foul play as of now. However, we will wait for statements from the representatives and the final decision on the cause of death by the medico-legal examination.
So,
As I said, post-mortem will be conducted in the presence of representatives of the Russian embassy. So we have already written to the Russian embassy to appoint representatives for the medico-legal formalities. Once the representatives are here, we will be conducting the post-mortem examination.
so what about names?
One of them is by the name of Alexandra Rijavi, and the other one, who's 34 years, is by the name of Ekaterina.
So both has an Anjuna residency, otherwise
They were both residing in Anjuna.
Candlelight protest continues in the state demanding justice for Goan girl Siddhi Naik, who was declared dead due to drowning at Kalangut. Goa has united to fight for justice for Goan girl. Recently, another candlelight protest was held at Old Goa. Some of the protesters highlighted how police have tried to divert this case and also denying investigation.
Siddhi Naik, who has been, there is no doubt that she has been raped and murdered and her dead body has been thrown at the seashore. This case can be compared to Scarlett's case, very identical. So when it came to the knowledge of Kalangut police station, that such an incident has occurred at Kalangut beach. Her dead body, after complying with all the formalities, her dead body was referred to the GMC Bamboli for conducting post-mortem report. And the post-mortem report stated that it's not a case of any sexual assault or any physical assault, and there are no injuries found on her body. Citing on this report, Kalangut police station came to the conclusion and ruled out the possibility of any rape and murder. See, in this case, when the father of the victim girl approached Kalangut station, that I am not certain about this first post-mortem report. I want to challenge this post-mortem report and I want to approach the government to conduct another post-mortem report.
हे इलेक्शन न्हू, हांगा लोकांच्या जिवा मरणाचो प्रश्न आसा, हांगा लोकांच्या भुरग्यांचो प्रश्न आसा, आमच्या फुडल्या जनरेशना प्रश्न आसा. अरे अशी इलेक्शनां येतली कितकी आनी वयतली कितकी, आनी अशे लोकूय कितके व्हडल्या व्हडल्या खुर्च्यांचेर बसतले, पण जीव आसा हो एकूचदा येता खंय, कित्याक तरी योनींच्यान आमकां व्हडलो हो जीव मेळटा खंय. जाल्यार त्या लोकांचे जीव जो आसा हो तामय, आनी इतको सगळो जो हें चल्ललो आसा तुजो पळय आकांत, तेका तुजे तेन्ना तूं उलयता पळय आनी सांगता एवरीथींग इज गोईंग ऑन म्हणून, तेन्ना तुजे दोळेच सांगता खंय तरी खंय कितें तरी हें जाता म्हणून. इतकी सगळी हें जाता आसतना तुजो कायदो आसलो की तूं त्या सिद्धीच्या घरा वचून एक तेका आदरांजली दितलो म्हणून, ती आदरांजली तुमी दिवपाक शकोंक ना. ती आदरांजली तुमची जी हें आसा, टीम आसा, वुमन कमिशन आसा तुमचे, बाकीचे ज्यो टीमी आसा, गृह मंत्रालय आसा, किंवा तुमचे तूं स्वता त्या घरान वचोन बाबा कितें जालां, आपूण आसा तुमच्या फाटीशी, हें इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करूंक ना, करया अशें म्हणून तूं सांगपाकूय तांकां आदारूय दिवपाक ना.
आयज तुमी वुमेन्सान ईच आनी वुमेन्सान फुड्यान सरोन गव्हर्मेंटाचेर प्रेशर घालप आनी तुमी आपले ईच आनी विलेजींनी पेट्रोलिंग करपाक पुलिसांक तुमी गव्हर्मेंटाक फोर्स करूंक जाय.
On Monday morning, locals from Kalangut marched to Electricity Department office in protest over hike in the recent electricity bills received. Locals also said that they are not receiving regular electricity bills.
No, I don't want calculation of this thing. I just want to know the details. Like, what do you mean by fixed charges?
In this case, your connected load is 45.21 kW. Okay. So your minimum fixed charges is 40 rupees. This is LGP Ganesh.
तेणेन सांगलें आमकडे स्टाफ ना तेका आमी सांगलें भुरगीं जायतीं शिकलेलीं आहा तांकां कामाक दवरा म्हयन्याच्या बिलां दिवपाक तुमी 3 म्हयन्याची तामकडे जायना थोडे कोण आपणाकडे व्हडले बिजनस आहा कितें आहा ते कोत्ता थोडे येवन आमच्या लागीं ना आमी कितें करपाचें घरा बसून आमी कितें खंयचे पयशे दिवपाचे तांकां इतले बिलां तेणें आमकां सोजमोंक जाय न्हू.
When will the government, especially the Fisheries Department, take action against the bull trawling going on in full swing in the seas? Questioned the Shiridao farmers. Due to this bull trawling, their livelihood is at a risk. They have also alleged that in spite of several complaints, there is no solution.
आम्ही आज सराक फिलिप डेरीक मेळोंक गेलेले तशेंच मॅडमीक जेनिफराक मेळोंक गेलेले कित्याक आमचे जे प्रॉब्लेम आसले जे आमी फिशींग करता आनी हिंगा सगळे मिनी पर्सिंग येता सकाळीचे रातचे तशेंच रातचे धाकटे बोटी येता फिशींग करता ते ट्रॉलर म्हणजे धाकटे बोटी वास्कोच्यो तशेंच सकाळचे 4 ते 5 मिनी पर्सिंग येता आनी जे आमकां आतां नुस्तें मेळपाचें आसा ते मिनी पर्सिंग रावंड मारून सगळे वता ते ताका लागून आमी मॅडमी मेळोंक येयलेले जे आमचे प्रॉब्लेम सांगू आनी आमी ते सगळे सांगलेले आसा आनी सरान मॅडमीन तेजो इशू सगळो मांडलेलो आमी तो तेणें कोत्ता सांगला.
आमी ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन आमी कांटाय घालून नुस्तें मारता आनी हे मिनी पर्सिंग ते रावंड मारता नुस्तें आनी इलिगल आनी तिंका आजून पासून लायसन ना डिपार्टमेंटान पूण आमी आतां कितले वर्सां जाले सांगत आसता डिपार्टमेंटाक आनी प्रिलिमिनरीकूय सांगलें श्रीराम फाटीं तेणी 2 वर्सां ती मिटींग केली आपूण बंद करता आपूण लॉ करता कायदे करता आतां पयल्यार तिका एकूच बोट आहा इतके वर्सां फिशरी डिपार्टमेंट तिवूय तेजी मोडलात आतां कोस्टल पुलिसां कडेन बोटी आहा कोस्टल पुलिसांचे बोटी रिपेरिंगाक दिल्यार 1 वर्स जालें तेन्ना आमी आतां मॅडमीन सांगलां आमकां एक उतर दिला की आमी एक बोट 2 पावलूच दवरूंक लायता म्हणून हेची पेट्रोलिंग करपाक कित्याक आमी ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन आनी अशें जर नुस्तें मारूंक येत जाल्यार आमकां आनी फ्युचर ना आमचें फ्युचर म्हणटा हितूनच नुस्तें मेळना जाल्यार आमी सोंपतले.
Now, Goan celebrated Raksha Bandhan under the shadow of COVID-19. Watch this special Raksha Bandhan story.
पळय आमी वार्षिक रक्षाबंधन करता आमकां गिरायक जाता अंदू म्हणजे हरशी इतली गर्दी आसता आदले 2 दीस अंदू कांयच ना गर्दी मार्केटूय ना सद्या वेव्हार ना कित्याक आतां वार्षिक प्रमाणे धंदो करता म्हूण करता आमी पूण सद्या मार्केट तशें ना आनी हांव कितें आतां लोकां कडेन पयशे ना कशें दिवचे पडटा रेटी परवडा न्हू तशें माल तो विकतलो रेट सांगले पूण लोक चडशे 10-20 रुपयांक मागता म्हणून रेट परवडा ना आतां कितें आहा दिवचें पडटलें
ह्या रक्षाबंधनाची
ह्या रक्षाबंधना म्हणजे आतां कितें आहा बाजारांत मार्केट ना कळ्ळें आनी लोक घराना पयलीं आमी गिरायक भरपूर करताले थंय कोर्टा कडेन आसतना गिरायक आमकां भरपूर जातालें आनी लोकूय भोंवतालो आतां लोक घराना ह्या कोरोनाक लागून सामको जेन्ना फर्स्ट कोरोना जालो तेन्ना धंदो सगळो बसला धंदो आतां कांयच ना गोंयांत कळ्ळें आनी लोक कितें आहा लोक आतां मास्क घालूंक जाय लोक थोडे पाळयना ताका लागून हो कोरोना चड जालो कोणूय विशेश घालता आनी जे मुस्लीम म्हणून आहा पळय ते मुद्दम मास्क घालिना हांव पळयता हांगा बाजारांत हांव म्हाका आतां 8-7 वर्सां आनी बाजारांत वचता आनी पयलीं म्हाजो हो वर्साचो एकूच धंदो आसलो थंय कोर्टा कडेन जायतालें कोर्टा वचून आमकां हांगा हाडटा आनी हांगा जाल्यार सामकें गिरायक सामकें बसलें ते तरी आमी गिरायक करतले कोर्टा कडेन आमकां वाट पळोवपाची लागनासली गिरायकाची आतां हांगा वाट पळोवची पडटा आनी गिरायक ना आनी लोकूय भोळना.
It's a bond between a brother and a sister.
Okay.
So it's a special occasion when you tie a Rakhi to your brother. And we pray for his better future, better life.
So how many Rakhis you will be buying?
5 for me, 1 for mom. Total of 6.
गेले 30 वर्सांपासून आमी धंदो करता 30 वर्सां वयर जाली 30-35 वर्सां राखयेचो
कसले राखी
खूब तरे दोऱ्याच्यो बऱ्यो कार्टूनाच्यो आनी कसल्यो खूब तरेच्यो वरायटीज कमी ते 200-300 वरायटीज दाखयता.
रक्षाबंधनाचे महत्व कितें एक्चुअली?
एक पवित्र बंधन भाव भयणीच्या भितर
आनी कोविडाक लागून कितें प्रॉब्लम बीन जाला?
कोविडाक लागून मातशें गिरायक आमकां कमी आहा पोरू आमचे सारकें धांदल जाल्ले अंदू त्या फुडें धांदल आसा गिरायक कमी सारकें.
आनी हो सण व्हडे संख्येन मनयतात न्ही लोक?
हय
तो कितें म्हणपाचें आसा?
तसो आजून सुद्दां हें कोरोना सुद्दां आसलो लोक मानव हें साजरो करपाचो दवरिना सण हो बऱ्या हितून साजरो करता.
And now we end this bulletin with a cartoon of the day image. that's all we have in today's news bulletin. For more updates, please do subscribe to HCN Goa. Follow us on Twitter and Facebook at O Heraldo Goa. Until then, goodbye.